So here's how you make garrapiñadas, which is a very common holiday snack, especially for Christmas and New Year. And we're in Argentina, we eat these a lot. So let's look at this recipe. You start out with 1 cup of raw peanuts with the peeling on them. Don't get the ones without the peeling. The sugar doesn't stick very well. So you throw in 1 cup of raw peanuts into a pan. Many people say it's supposed to be a thick pan. Many people have different recipes, but this is a quick recipe. It works, it's good. 1 cup of raw peanuts, then 1/3 of sugar, and then you add 1/4 of water, and you just simply put it right over the fire, and you mix it all up. Make sure all the peanuts are covered with the water and sugar, and now you just have to wait a little while for that to start to boil. Once that continues to boil, you can actually, if you want and you prefer, you can add a little bit of vanilla flavoring to it. As you can see, the water starts to evaporate and gets thicker and thicker. As we mentioned, some secrets are a wooden spoon, a little bit of vanilla flavoring, and you just stir this for as long as it takes. Once you see it starts to stick really hard, you take it off the fire very quickly into a cooler area. Don't turn the flame down. Actually remove them from the fire and continue to stir, and they'll become completely covered with the sugar and it'll get harder and harder. Then you put them back on the fire so that it sticks more and it gets a shiny look to it, and that's the final touch. What's going to happen, the sugar will melt once again on the peanuts. Once they get to that brown glazed look, you throw them onto a cookie sheet probably to cool them off. Don't stack them, they'll stick all together. So spread them out and you let them cool off. Once they cool off, they're like this. And this is your garrapiñadas you can have. So this is how you make garrapiñadas. Once again, it's very simple. It is 1 cup of raw peanuts, 1/3 of sugar, and 1/4 of water. You put it over the fire, let it boil until it gets very thick. Take them off the fire. Let the sugar crystallize around the peanut. Throw them back on the fire a little bit and let them get glazed to a point like this. And you let them cool off. And that's garrapiñadas, and you can enjoy them.